Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Halifax online banking. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Halifax bank login in Google. So once you do that, you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to tap on that link and you'll be redirected to the official page of the Halifax, where you can see there is a sign in option at the top right corner of this home page or this page. So let's tap on that sign in option, and now you will be redirected to the official login page of the Halifax, where you can see it is asking if you want to continue with your app or with website. So let's tap on the continue on website for now, and you can see it is asking us for our username and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the continue, and yeah, you will be able to log in successfully. And you can see there is a remember my user ID right above this continue option. So if you enable this one, then what it basically means is your username gonna be saved or user ID gonna be saved in this browser successfully or in this device as well. So just down below of this continue option, you can see there is a forgotten your sign in details. So by chance if you have forgotten your username or your password, then simply tap on that forgotten your sign in details, and you will be redirected to the another page where you need to complete few more formalities. And once you verify yourself, yeah, you will be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Halifax online banking. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.